Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus, today with the 2023 Ford Escape. Stock number 6437. This ran from 1st 2022 to the current shape. It has a ZH 2.5 litre 4-cylinder hybrid engine backed by a CVT automatic transmission. This is a ZH 2.5 litre 4-cylinder hybrid petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, left front door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, left rear tail light, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,